Dear followers, welcome to this video. Today, I will show you how to add a joint connection between beam to beam web. Now turn on the plan plus 13400. Open the component dialog by using key blinding, Ctrl plus F. Find the shear plate simple 146 connection, and click its icon. Pick the beam on grid line 1 as main part of the connection. And then pick the beam perpendicular to the main part to be the secondary part, and the connection will be created. To make it easier to check the connection you created, we will create views from the different sides of this connection. Select the connection symbol, right-click and select Create View, and then select Default View of Component. 4 basic views appear. Select Window, and then select Tile vertically. Turn the view 2 plan plus 13400 off. We only keep 4 views of this connection. Select Component. Right-click, and choose Properties. In Shear Simple dialog box, select Tap Plates. In Plates tab, you can adjust shear plate thickness. You can modify width and height of tab plate. You can add material for shear plate. This field is shear tab position. There are 3 options: near side, far side and both side. The default position is far side shear tab. In this tutorial, we choose shear tab position as far side. This one is gap between shear tab and secondary part. The default value is 0. You can change by insert a new value. This one is shear tab position for slope secondary. And this one is shear tab end cut. There are 2 options: cut and not cut. The default is not cut. The field at the bottom is shear tab orientation. This field is plate washer. Default value is no washer. You can choose one plate washer, or individual square plate washers, or individual round plate washers for each bolt. Let's choose one plate washer, hit modify to update the connection. can choose individual square plate. This one is chamfer type. There are 4 options. The default value is no chamfer. Let's choose line chamfer. Input 15 for horizontal value, and vertical value is the same. Switch to stiffener tab. This tab help you control the stiffener plate dimensions, orientation, position and type. This field is stiffener creation. The default value is no stiffeners. Beside you can choose full or partial stiffener. You can input stiffener thickness at depth. Web stiffener field. And input material for stiffener. And size of the gap between the main part flanges and the stiffener. Modify stiffener chamfers. Now, let's switch to Bolts tab. You can use this tab to control properties of the bolts that connect the shear plate and web of secondary. Choose 24 as bolt size. Bolt standard is A325M. This field, we select middle, measure the dimensions for vertical bolt group position from center line of bolt to center line of the secondary web. We can adjust number of bolts. Bolts vertical spacing. Number of vertical bolt column. Distance between 2 bolt column. And bolt edge distance, the distance from the center of a bolt group to the edge of secondary part. Vertical bolt edge distance. You can change bolt direction. Staggering of bolts. Thanks for watching this video. Check out my channel for more amazing and free video tutorial. Leave me comment below, if you have any ideas to improve the future guides.